megalayapost.news
Hadirin belapan kutno ya kawai na karnasan ya penisap kikun samla Karibhoy District kabalatip kum ke Block Level Chief Minister Meghalaya Youth Engagement Program arah jarap husan kabadai ke program haki blok paper bat mentaka sengi ke Office District Sports Officer Karibhoy ulah sedang biang ya kini keju ke program belatip pat kum ke 4th District Level Chief Minister Meghalaya Youth Engagement Program arah jarap husan kabadai haka District Level belapan long haparish hall nongpo UMLA ke nongpo ubak mineral bonds kum kongsan ulawan ban play pat ba ya kini ke program balasak hilang ru da kajingdon lang Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy Wabilash Baranwal Additional Superintendent of Police Karibhoy Orville Masar District Sports Officer Karibhoy Bobby L Nongbat bat kentup ki officer na ka district kumban penpau kani ka lempung ya penisap ki samla kadai ka lempung bakin sei madan ya kisap ki phongker pang jongki nadu karwai ka siau kaput katem bat ki jingya ko bat kitu ki bajob hagani ka district level kin mikmat pan ya ka district sha ka state level habakran kum kongsan hagani ka sngiu ba mineral bonds im ula ong baudap da museum jong ka jingkman banyu i banadu ke block level ki samlan jong ka dong berkatan Ribhoy ki don shishaya kata kasap kerpang berkeni ke peni bagi samlan na Ribhoy kimdei ki bedang duna bat ki dei ki samlan ki blakio shaprang ha ki sap ki pong shushu nolor ka jingpen shlore ki samlan ki blawan ban shebenta ha ka ni ka district level ba mineral bonds im ula airu ka jingkular ban ada ka kusnam pisa sakinong job habarok jing yakop laki dei ki shenrang bat kan thairu bat kani ka jing ai kusnam kan nongkum ka jingpen shlore ki samlan ka district makindang la shushu ban penjana ya ki sap kerpang bala ai da ublay
from Ribhoy District, to be a part in the youth exchange program. But jokes aside, being in another country taught us so much. We learned to be alert because crossing roads in Bali and Indonesia is a sport of its own. We learned to be active, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. And most importantly, we saw how diverse this world truly is. Different languages, different customs, different food, but one thing was clear. The world needs more kindness. We learned that opportunities don't come with a guarantee. They come with a challenge. And whether you succeed or stumble, you must keep going. Try again, learn again, speak again. Meghalaya needs more youth who are willing to speak up, who are brave enough to say, this is not okay. And strong enough to say, I'll do something about it. We need courage, we need team spirit, and yes, we need to obey when it's right, but also question when it matters. So to every young person listening, don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect.
That's the entire objective of this performance also. I think that if this performance has inspired you, then basically the entire objective of CM Youth Engagement Program is served. So I request everyone to kindly give a big round of applause for our honorable MLA as well. It fills us with so much of pride when we see youth who may not have had that kind of exposure, yet making it big not just on the state levels, but regional level, country level, as well as international level. And that's the entire objective of CM Youth Engagement Program. To allow expression of the talents, the artistic talent, the sports talent, the literary talents that our youth across the state, but since we are in Ribhoy, across the district, basically that expression comes forward, and to have a multi-level competition system so that the best talents are selected, they are nurtured, and the name that Shillong has earned for itself, which is rock capital of the country, that name gets its endurance, that name is justified, and the talents also get an opportunity to show themselves and shine bright across the country and the global stage. Apart from that, it's to the credit of Honorable CM Sir that he has thought of such a program in which these kind of competitions are not being organized only at the state level, but rather at the block level, so that every talent across the nook and corner of the entire state gets an opportunity to shine equally bright as a talent that stays somewhere in the heart of the state or in the center of Shillong.
The 4th District Level Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program here at St. Paul's Parish, Nongpor. Earlier known as the Millionaire Youth Exchange Program, it was started at the state level during 2014, and the district level was introduced only in 2019. Now at the present year, it has been renamed as the Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program. So, I'm thoroughly excited of this edition of the district level to begin. So, we have informed you, sir, we have completed the engagement level programs at all 5 blocks of Ribhoi district, where altogether more than 1,000 youths have had the opportunity to participate at this level, at this edition of the block levels competition. So, 68 participants and 2 officials have been selected to represent the blocks, and they are here today. So altogether 350 participants, including officials, are part and parcel of this event today. Interesting, these are at the blocks we have witnessed incredible participation, display of talent and skills, showcasing global traditions and innovation, etc. A platform that has not only prepared them to be here, but with minute coaching and guidance by our kind judges in order to exhibit better at this district level. This time, at this level again, sir, one act play drama and a touch of war outdoor activity has been included. I believe through this platform at this district level, it will not only prepare them for the upcoming state level, but motivate the youth of our district in the pursuit of a bright and promising future, aspire and broaden their knowledge and experiences to a huge extent.
Had dreams in the last few weeks, or this morning, or last month. Many of you will forget, tend to forget. We cannot in costume. Most of the time we don't remember. And most of the time we felt that whatever we dreamt, it will be the opposite. It will happen. Kadang-kadang ini itu. Apa costume? Kalau dah hukum, kadang-kadang ini itu. It depends on each and every one of us whether you believe it or not, that it is like that. But to me personally, it is not bad to be dream. It is not bad to have a good dream. It is a costume, but within costume belongs to siya. Itu kalau berkumpul dengan titik filosofi, dan in my experience, whatever I dreamt, whatever I imagine, it comes true. The question is that how many of you this morning, when you come for the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program, when you will go back from here, you will take back something, good memories, good thought, good example, good lesson that you have dreamt yang waktu costume kan saja hari ini. The famous quote of Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. In 1963, when he talked about the dream, it became a reality. When he says, I have a dream that my 4 little children will live in a country where I will not be judged by the color of the skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character. Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. he has a dream that all his fellow citizens in America, especially people who have been dark skinned, have been deprived with various facilities and privileges. But due to the effort by this person led from the front, that the dream has been fulfilled. Jadi positif untuk orang. Abang ini mentang hidup yang berdiri di dalam apa yang hidup. Apa yang Amerika. There is time that we thought that I came from a far-flung villages. I don't know how to sing. I don't know how to speak English. Who can imagine that Balari, Rani, they don't talk much. You can perform really well. Bukan malah kamu mundur. Yang kamu tadi kong ani sedih di mana dalam prolog nasional. Hindi dari mana? Kekasihnya benar. Tapi kalau ide ban positif, bagi lo ide ban positif, bagi jauh. Support is from Nama kata, the student, the participant, the can see, this is an example initiation into one of us we should follow. And as a mark of encouragement to each and every one of you, I am giving 20,000 to both of them after this program. This is the beginning to encourage. It is not that for everyone who will perform on the stage and sing Bangara Unai Mama Stoya everything. You have to compare. They have really did very well. They performed very well. And I will encourage Bakobi that in this 3 days program that we are going to participate, I don't apply for the best performer, do something like that. Everything. Both male and female too. Okay. Then for the best performer, for the male and female as well, I'm going to give 20,000 at the end of this program, after 3 days. This is an encouragement, so that you won't stop fighting. I know all of you would get the winner will be only one. Then they come to the form. There should be a goal. The 2 performers, they already performed in the past. They have reached to a certain height. Now they deserve to get something.
Megalayapost.news